Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a video to your Wix website in 2025. Whether it's a YouTube video or an uploaded file, I will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Wix account at wix.com. Once logged in, go to your website dashboard and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now in the Wix editor, click the plus icon on the left panel, scroll down and select video player or iframe for YouTube video, Vimeo or Vimeo video. Let's go through its method. If you want to add a YouTube video or a Vimeo video, click on iframe, then enter code, then go to your YouTube channel, then select your video and click share, then click on embed, then copy this code and paste your video link and click update. Now here you will see your video embedded. Your video is now embedded on your site. You can resize this video or edit this code and change width and height like this, then click update and it's if you prefer to upload your own video, choose Wix, choose plus icon again, then video, then change video, then upload media, then upload from your computer and select your video, then click open and edit. You can customize settings like autoplay, looping, or even add a title. Once your video is added, click on it to access customization option, resize it, change the layout, and adjust the settings as needed. You can even set it to autoplay or mute on load. Finally, after making adjustments, don't forget to click save and then publish, or you can preview first. Then click publish to make your changes live. And that's how you add a video to your Wix website in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop a comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.